In 2025, now in its second year of the seventh generation, the 2025 Ford Mustang continues to uphold the legacy of American muscle cars that began in the 1960s. Welcome back to my Provlogs Cars YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe us for cars news. True to its roots, the Mustang delivers a thrilling driving experience with a range of powerful engine options, including a 480 horsepower V8, a 315 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the exhilarating 500 horsepower Mustang Dark Horse. While the turbocharged 4-cylinder is paired exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission, both the V8 and Dark Horse models offer the option of a 6-speed manual transmission, catering to driving enthusiasts who seek a more connected experience. The 2025 Mustang is available in two body styles, convertible and fastback coupe, allowing drivers to choose their preferred configuration while still enjoying the car's iconic performance. The base Mustang is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which produces 315 horsepower and 350 pound-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering a solid blend of performance and efficiency. However, the real excitement lies in the 5.0-liter V8 engine, which churns out 480 horsepower and 415 pound-ft of torque, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts. With the optional performance exhaust, the V8 engine's output is bumped up to 486 horsepower and 418 pound-ft of torque, further enhancing its power and sound. On the track, a Mustang GT equipped with the performance exhaust can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, while the EcoBoost 4-cylinder model takes about 4.5 seconds. In terms of fuel economy, the 4-cylinder Mustang achieves an estimated 22 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway, with the performance package reducing it to 21 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway, while the V8 version is expected to return 15 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. A major highlight for 2025 is the 60th anniversary edition, which celebrates the Mustang's 1965 debut. This limited edition, only 1,965 units available, is offered on GT coupes and convertibles, featuring distinctive 20-inch wheels with red metal center caps and a new digital gauge cluster that draws inspiration from the 1967 Mustang's instrument panel. It's a fitting tribute to the Mustang's rich heritage, combining vintage design elements with modern technology. Inside, the 2025 Mustang offers a combination of classic features and cutting-edge technology. The interior includes supportive seats and a standard 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster, a significant upgrade from previous models. The digital display includes a CAM panel that shows only the most essential information, as well as customizable gauges and colors, allowing for a more personalized driving experience. For those who crave a more hands-on driving experience, the GT Coupe, with its 6-speed manual transmission, is a fantastic option. While the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers impressive performance, the V8 remains the choice for true enthusiasts, offering a level of power and driving excitement that few cars in its class can match. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang is a perfect blend of modern performance, heritage, and technology, staying true to its muscle car roots while adapting to the demands of today's drivers. Whether you choose the fuel-efficient EcoBoost or the raw power of the V8, the Mustang promises an unforgettable driving